Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Redmi K30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use App Lock on this device. Start by opening Settings and scrolling down, then click on Apps. Select App Lock and click Turn On. Now you can create a pattern, then repeat it and choose Next. Over here you need to sign in to your Mi account, but if you don't have it, just click Not Now. After that, you have to wait 5 seconds and click Not Now again. After that, choose Use App Lock and select apps that you want to lock by tapping on the switchers next to them. I will only go with one app, so for example, I will leave Gallery. Now when I go back and try to access Gallery, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!